Hey guys, this is probably the only habitat I'll have a chance to go to while I'm out here. Um, it's the one closest to my in-laws. There's a lot out here, including some closest to where I used to live, but there's a Panama. Hopefully somebody will get that and rescue it. Oh, high gloss Delta 2 with XLP. That's a good fan. Kind of a cool fixture over there. For a second I thought these were blender fan blades and I was gonna get excited. Yeah, I don't see anything that I would get today. No point in me getting that's kind of a cool fixture. Doesn't look preheat though. Very few fans here compared to how they normally are. Okay, well I gotta run. I got some other errands to do. Thanks for watching.